Breastfeeding on demand means feeding your baby whenever they show signs of hunger, rather than following a strict schedule. It is a natural, responsive approach that supports both your baby's nutritional needs and your breastfeeding journey. From the moment babies are born, they have an instinct to feed frequently. Their stomachs are very small, and breast milk is easily digested, which means they need to feed often. Breastfeeding on demand simply means responding to your baby's cues instead of watching the clock. Common hunger cues include lip smacking, sucking on hands, opening and closing the mouth, rooting or turning the head toward the breast, and becoming more alert. Crying is actually a late hunger sign, so feeding earlier helps keep your baby calm and makes latching easier. One of the biggest benefits of breastfeeding on demand is that it helps establish and maintain a healthy milk supply. Breast milk production works on a supply and demand system. The more often your baby feeds, the more signals your body receives to produce milk. Scheduled feeding can sometimes limit these signals, especially in the early weeks. Breastfeeding on demand also supports your baby's growth and development. Babies go through growth spurts where they may want to feed more often, sometimes every hour. This is normal and temporary. These frequent feeds help increase your milk supply to meet your baby's growing needs. Another important benefit is emotional bonding. Feeding on demand provides comfort, security, and closeness. Babies don't only nurse for hunger, they may also nurse for reassurance, warmth, or to help them fall asleep. This is a healthy and normal part of development. Many parents worry that feeding on demand will spoil the baby or create bad habits. In reality, young babies cannot be spoiled. Responding to their needs builds trust and helps them feel safe. As babies grow, feeding patterns naturally become more predictable. It's also important to remember that breastfeeding on demand applies to day and night. Night feedings are especially important for milk supply because the hormone prolactin, which supports milk production, is higher at night. Every baby is different. Some feed quickly, others take longer. Some cluster feed in the evenings, while others spread feeds evenly throughout the day. Breastfeeding on demand allows flexibility and respects your baby's unique rhythm. In summary, breastfeeding on demand is about listening to your baby, trusting your body, and allowing feeding to happen naturally. It supports milk supply, healthy growth, emotional bonding, and a positive breastfeeding experience for both mother and baby.